Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about taking your child's artwork and turning it into something fun, amazing, and useful. Like this tumbler. I saw my son sitting at the table drawing the other day and I snagged this drawing and got to work. I turned it into a sublimation file and also a cut file, and I'm going to show you how. For those of you that are new around here, I'm Brenda Lambert. I'm a TJC licensed instructor for Silhouette, and I hope you're going to join our little crafting community. We would love to have you. Now, if everyone is ready to get started, let's do this. Okay, I have my son's drawing brought into Silhouette Studio, and I'm just going to adjust the brightness and contrast here. Next thing we're going to do is trace the image. Adjust the threshold just a bit and then hit trace. Next, we're going to fill him with color and simplify the editing points. I went over to Canva to find a background. You can pick any background you'd like. Merge that onto the design mat. Adjust the height to 9.3 by 8.2. Now I need to fill him in with color, so I'm going to go ahead and trace him again. Select Trace Outer Edge. I'm still left with an inside line, and that is because there is a break in the arm here, and we need to fix that. So bring up the editing points and zoom in. Right there is the problem. I'm going to break that path, and if I can find it, pull the right node away. There we go. Bring that to the inside. I'm going to break that path. Pull that one away. We don't need that one. And now we're going to connect these two. Give it a little bit of an adjustment. Make sure there are no more connections that are bad. Zoom out. Now we can release the compound path and remove the inner lines. At this point, check to make sure everything is lined up properly. We can fill that with color. Layer that guy back on top. And we are good to go with that. Let's group him together. And delete the extra stuff that we don't need. Let's get him where we want him. Now we're going to add my son's name. Pick the font. I'm going to make it the same color as the alien. Squish it down a bit. Then we're going to put an offset around it. Change that to black. Group it together. Rotate it and scale it. Now this is ready for print. Just make sure that if you are putting it on a tumbler or doing any other sublimation with it, you want to mirror it first. Next, I'm going to take this design and put it on a pencil case. All of the hard work is done. We just need to take our elements and create the actual design. Here I'm making a template. My pencil bag is 9 by 7. I'm going to fill it in with white so we can see it. And now it's just a matter of scaling and positioning. I'm going to duplicate this little guy, and then I'm going to use the transform panel to rotate him. Now, if you are enjoying this video so far, please take a second while I finish this up to hit the like button. It helps me out a ton, and it also helps to push the video out into the YouTube universe so that other people can find it and enjoy it as well. I'm going to move the background away. I'm going to ungroup everything, and then I'm going to group it by color so that it's ready to cut out of vinyl. I've grouped the green. Now I'm going to select the black and group that. We'll delete the background. I'm going to change my page setup so that it's a 12 by 12. Be sure to flip everything horizontally, and then we can send it to cut. I wasn't extremely happy with how the pencil bag turned out. There was some sort of issue with the vinyl and then all of the adhesive smushed out, but my boy loves it, so we're good to go with it. Now we're going to start putting our little alien dude back together. I should have given him a name by now, but I did not. The next thing we are going to do is turn this into a gift for Grandma. I'm going to make a keychain. So there's the start of my template. I'm putting in the measurements. It's a rounded rectangle. And I'm going to draw out a circle and place it in the general area. This is not an exact template. It's just to give me an idea of what I have to work with. I'm going to bring him to the front, get him situated onto the keychain template. Let's type out our text. Going to say, "Hey Grandma, love you." Fill it in with color and choose our font. And get it scaled to size. Next, we're going to bring in the background. Scale that down. Send it to back. I'm going to duplicate the keychain template, but I'm going to release the compound path and get rid of the circle. Then I am going to crop, get our layers situated. Group all of that together, and I'm going to just make sure that the design is going to line up on both sides. We can flip it horizontally, duplicate it, and print. I hope that you enjoyed the lesson today. If you found it helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now you have two options. One, you can go watch this video right here, or two, you can go create something amazing. Either way, I'll see you in the next video.